Hello, welcome to Zeus5566. So today I went by a toy store and I saw this new Nerf Vortex Praxis line and it looks cool, so I decided to pick up one. And this is the Nerf Vortex Praxis and it was just released not long ago. Alright, unlike the old-fashioned streamlined darts, they're now using a foam disc which called XLR, which stand for extra long range. Alright, so over here you can see this is the front of the box and this cost me 99 ringgit. Alright, so you can see this is the front of the box, and now let's look at the back of the box. And now you see the back of the box, and done with it, and let's get onto the gun itself. Alright, after you open up the box, what you get inside is a Nerf Praxis gun, and then a shoulder stock, and then a 10 disc magazine. Alright, and also 10 foam discs. Alright, so first let me show you the gun first. Okay, let's start from the gun. Alright, I'm gonna show you 4 things. Alright, the gun. Alright, so this is a gun. It has a pump action sliding handle. Alright, pump action sliding handle. Alright, and special thing about this gun is the pump action sliding handle does not cock without a magazine. Alright, see, without magazine it does not cock. Alright, and if you have a magazine in it, then you can cock it. Oh, sorry. You can cock it, but you can't fire it, and it got stuck. Damn. Alright. Okay. Alright. So remember, don't cock it without a magazine. Alright. And over here, this is a switch, disc eject switch. Alright. This is for you to release the disc that jam inside the gun, just like the small door that we have on the Nerf and Strike series. Alright. And this is a disc release level. Alright. The whole gun. Alright. This is red, some kind of orange red, and the gun the green color is emerald kind of green. Alright, and this is a gray color. Alright, and also it has a tactical rail for those N-Strike series accessory that you bought for your N-Strike Nerf guns. Now you could still use it on this Nerf Vortex. Alright, so this is how the overall of the gun looks like. And the other side, okay, it's similar, and but one thing, the handle. Alright, the handle is a very comfortable, even for adults like me to hold. Alright, so very nice. Alright, next I'm gonna show you the shoulder stock. Alright, this is a shoulder stock which is very similar to the Recon one. Alright, same as the Recon one, very flimsy on the piece here. Right, this part is the same. The only different thing is the shoulder stock here. The design was a bit different, but still not so good. Maybe I'm gonna change it to the what do we call the Raider one. Alright, next up is the 10 disc magazine. Alright, so unlike, you could see, definitely not the same as the old foam darts magazine. Alright, this thing is round. See, it's round, it's not rectangle anymore. Alright, it's not square anymore. Alright, so this is round because the foam disc was round. Alright, this magazine hold 10 foam discs. Alright, let me show you. 1, 2, 3. Alright, I fast forward so you don't need to watch me count the foam disc. Alright, so let me show you one foam disc. This is how the foam disc looks like. Alright, okay, the middle here is a kind of a rubbery plastics, and the side is a foam plastics. It's a foam, but it's slightly better than the one that we use on the Nerf darts, the streamlined darts. Alright, so in the middle here you could see Nerf on the middle of the soft rubber plastics, right? The bottom here is hollow. Alright, so the reason this gun fly very far is because of the aerodynamic design. Alright, so, and you could put this inside the Nerf magazine, the magazine holder, and now let's fit the magazine onto the Nerf Praxis gun. Alright, just push it in just like the old one, and this time you don't need to cock it first like the Nerf series to put the magazine in. Alright, so just put the magazine in like this, and to release, press the magazine release level and you just fall out. Alright, so it's good for fast reloading. You could, if you have another magazine, you could just stuff it in and ready for another round. Alright, so now to fire, right? Just push the level back and push the level, the sliding handle forward again to fire. Alright, see? Alright, so now you know how to fire, and next up I'm gonna show you a range test for Nerf Vortex Praxis. Alright, stay tuned.